Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you are preparing for Python interview or DevOps interview or AI interview, in any field we are using the Python and we are being asked a question related to Python. So in today's video and in the coming videos, we will discuss about the interview question being asked related to Python in the interviews. I have already faced many interviews, so I want to share my experience. What are the questions being asked related to Python in the interviews? I hope you will like this video. So in this video, we will share most commonly asked Python related interview questions and along with clear and concise answers. So whether you are freshers or experienced or developers or you want to learn the DevOps, you want to give the interviews for this field. So these questions will help you to boost your confidence and will help you in the crack the interviews. So let's get started. And if you like this video, please like, share. Let's get started. So first of all, let's see for first question. We have the first question. Write a Python function to reverse a string without slicing and reverse function. So we know how to reverse the function in the Python using the slicing. That is very easy. So first of all, let's see how we can reverse a string using the slicing. So that is very easy. Like suppose we have the text hello. So using the slicing, we can just do text and then :-1. So it will reverse the string. If you want to see this video, we have already discussed this in our previous video. You can go through that video. I will also add the video link in the description. So this is how using the slicing you can reverse the string. But this is they are asking interview is asking that we without slicing we need to reverse the string. And what is the second method? Second is using the reverse function. So using the reverse function, this is how you can do reverse string is equal to, then here we need to use the join function to join the reversed string. Reversed function here we need to use and then give the text which we want to reverse. Then you can use print function to print the reversed string and then run it. Okay, reverse. Now run it. So it has reversed the string. So these are two methods. Using this, we can reverse the string. But in the interview, they are asking we don't have to use these two methods. So we will create a function to reverse a string. So first let's create a function, reverse string function, and then we need to take the input from the user. Then I will create an empty string. I'm giving this name rev and this is empty string. Then I need to create a for loop char in data. So it will loop through all the character in the string. Then I will append those character in the reverse order. After that, I will return the rev reverse. So this will return the string in the reverse order. Now I will have to call the function. So I will call reverse string, then give the string name. Suppose I am giving hello. Now run it. So it will reverse the string. Okay. And if I give India, so it will reverse it. Okay. So let's explain this code, explain this function. So here I have created a reverse string function. Data, I will take the string input from the user. Then I have created a empty string. Then I have created a loop to loop through all the character in the string. So it will take one character at a time and it will add it in the reverse string in the reverse order. And then it will return the reverse string. So suppose I have passed the India. Okay. So what will happen? So at the starting, so we will have the empty string, and in data we will have the India. So it will loop through the each character. So first it will pick India, I from this character, and then it will append it to the reverse. So it will have the I, and then it will have the N character. So first it will add N, then it will append it to the reverse. So in reverse we will have the I. So it will have NI. Then again it will have D. So it will add D plus NI. Then again it will have N. So it will have the I. Then so it will add I concatenate with D and I. Then it will have A. So in the reverse order it is appending the character. So at the end we will have the string in the reverse order. I hope you are able to understand. If you have any question, please comment it comment section. Okay, so let's see what is the next question. Next question, we have explained the difference between list and tuple. This is most common question which is being asked in the interview. I have already faced this question, so I want to share with you. So what is the difference between list and tuple? So the main difference is list is mutable data type and tuple is immutable data. Is the character, we can update the elements and values in the list. It is mutable, but we cannot update or edit or delete the data from the tuple. So list is mutable data type and tuple is immutable data type. This is one of the main difference between them. And second is performance. List is slightly slower than tuples because it supports more operations. We can do the edit and update, so it is supporting more operations. So that's why performance wise, tuple is better than list. And tuple is slightly faster because it is fixed and the values are fixed. We cannot update it, we cannot delete the values, we cannot add or append the values in the tuple. So that's why performance wise tuple is better than list. And what are the use cases of list and tuple? List is used when data may change. For example, you are taking the input from the user or shopping or adding the items in the shopping cart. So these values need to be updated and changed. So for that purpose we can use the list. And tuple is used where we don't want to change any data and want to constant the data. Data should remain constant. So like days or weeks, days in the year. So these are constant value which we don't want to change. So for that purpose, we can use a tuple. So these are the main difference between the list and tuple. I hope you are able to understand. Okay. So now let's move to the next question. Next is write a program to find sum of all prime numbers between 1 to n. Okay, so we need to find all the sum of all the prime numbers between 1 to n. So first of all we need to understand what is the prime numbers. Prime numbers are natural numbers, those are divisible by itself or 1. So those are the prime numbers. So first we need to write a program to find the prime numbers. So is prime. After finding this prime number, then we can create another function sum to find the sum of those numbers. Okay, so first let's create a function to check if the particular number is prime number or not. So it will take a number and then if first we need to write a for loop for I in range. We need to check from 2 because 1 if it is because prime numbers are divisible by 1 and itself, so we need to start from the 2 and then num. Yeah. So, and for I in range 1, 1, if I, if num modulo, I is equal to 0, means number is divisible between any of these numbers, that means it is not prime number, then I will return the false. Then we need to return the false. Okay, if it is divisible, if the number is divisible by any number other than 1 or itself, then it is not prime number, so we are returning the false, otherwise return false, otherwise return true. Okay, so if the number is divisible by itself or the 1, so it will be not prime numbers, it will return false, otherwise it will return true. So we can check this function. So let's see, is prime 3. So 3 is prime or not? 3 is prime, true. Okay, now check for 7. 7 is true. Okay, now check for 8. False. Yeah, 8 is not prime number. Check for 2. Yeah, 2 is prime number. So this function is working fine. Okay, so now we need to find the sum of these numbers. For that, we will again create one more function, def sum of prime. We'll take numbers from the user. Then I will create a variable sum. I will initialize it with 0. After that, for I in range 2, we need to check till numbers. Number. Plus 1, because we need to include the number as well, so that's why I am adding plus. After that, if is prime, means if condition is true, then only add that number in the sum. Sum plus number. Okay, sum plus I, because then only we will add that number, and at the end we will return the sum. Okay, now run it. Now sum of prime, then I am giving 10. Run it. Okay, here I need to give the number. Now I will give I. Now run it. Now run it. 17. Okay. Yeah, so we can verify this. So find all the sum, all the numbers from 10 in the 10. So we have 2, then 3, then 5, 9, no, 10, no, 7. 7, we have the prime number. Now run it. Total is 17. Okay. So this is correct answer. Now we can validate till 20. So till 20, so we have 11, 13, 17, 19. These are prime number because these numbers are divisible by itself or 1. So we are getting 77. So this function is running fine. Yeah, it is okay. So now let me go through again. So first we created a function to check if the particular number is prime number or not. And if number is a prime number only when it is divisible by 1 or itself. So here I have created its prime function. I am taking the number from the user. Then I have created a loop for I in range 2, because we need to start from 2, because prime number starts from 2. 2 comma num. So it will run through from 2 to num. And if num modulo I is equal to 0 means it is divisible between 2 to number. It is divisible from these number. So it is not prime number. So it is returning the false. And if it is not divisible, then it will give the true. So that means number is prime number. So this is the function to check the prime number. Then to find the sum of these number, I have created another function, sum of prime. And here I am taking the number from the user. Then I have created one variable num initialized with the 0. Then created one more function I in range. I will start with the 2 because prime number starts with the 2. And number plus 1 because I want to include that number as well. So that's why I have added plus 1. So if it's prime, it will check from 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I have given the number 10. So it will check for 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. For each number it will check. Till 10 it will check. And if it is prime number, so it will add it in the sum. And after that, at the end, it will return the sum of all prime numbers. So this is how this function is working. I hope you were able to understand. If you have any question, please comment in comment section. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss more interviews question related to Python. So please stay tuned and like, share and subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. Have a great day ahead.